let's make some waffles. And you can serve them as a breakfast dish, alongside eggs, or jazz things up and make a waffle sandwich. So foodies, let's get into making this quick, simple, and easy recipe. And in my household, we like using Frankie's gluten-free flour, mainly because it's awesome, but I also developed this with my family, and it's an awesome flour that's gluten-free, and I know what's in it, and it's things that I can pronounce. So I'm going to start by putting my gluten-free all-purpose flour in there, baking powder, salt, bit of sugar, some milk, and if you want to use a milk alternative like almond milk or soy or hemp or oat milk, go for it. It's very easy to substitute that out. And then an egg, and I'm going to keep one of these bowls and I'm going to crack the egg into the bowl, mainly because I want to make sure that I don't have any shells or it's not a turned egg and it looks good. Now I want to whisk this up. Easy so far. And at this point, if you want to add cinnamon or little blueberries or something like that, this is the time to add it into the recipe. You don't want to add a lot of like blueberries or cinnamon because you don't want to change the flavor too much, but this is definitely the time to do it. Okay, so that's just how easy it is to make waffles. So I'm gonna drop that in the sink. Now I've preheated my waffle iron. It's very hot. I'm gonna open it up. I'm not even going to butter it. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the waffle mixture, about a third of what I've made. This is probably too much. And then I'm gonna drop it on, and I'm gonna wait about 2 minutes for it to finish baking. It's been about 2 minutes. I want to open this up and see how they are and how they look. Oh my goodness. I could have added more, but that looks so good. I'm going to pull this out ever so carefully. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks glorious. Oh, they're so light and fluffy. Let me add a few more here. Maybe I'll go a little bit heavier with the dough. Filling, I should say. There we go. See if we can spread it out just a bit more. It expands, so it's hard to judge just how much you need, but every waffle iron is different, so I think I can give this a try. I mean, it smells so good. These will last. I mean, you can put them in the freezer and kids can pull them out and they can pop them in the toaster oven really easily, or you can serve them fresh. I mean, you just saw just how quick that is. How about a little bit of maple syrup? Oh my goodness. Maybe some peaches. I think that might be good on it. I mean, decorate it however you want. And I'm going to top it with a bit of whipped cream. Oh my goodness. And I want to bite into this and see what it's like. Oh, you can hear the crunch. I'm just going to have a little bit of the end without all the extra stuff because I want to see just how good it really is on its own. I mean, these can stand on their own. You can make an egg sandwich with them, which we used to make at the restaurant all the time, and they were really popular. That is such a light and fluffy waffle. Now I get to try it with whipped cream and a bit of chip and a bit of peach, because why not? Oh, it's so light and fluffy. I mean, you can see all the little pockets of air in there. That is a flavor explosion. It's unbelievable. If you're looking for the full recipe details, visit glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on social media I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.